Hello, friends! Ever wondered if you could combine simple kitchen ingredients for amazing skin and hair benefits? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, we'll dive into the magical combo of castor oil and baking soda. You'll learn the perfect ratio to mix them, how to apply them, and all the benefits that'll leave your skin glowing and hair shining. Remember, it's always best to patch test and consult a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. Stay with us until the end for a special bonus tip. Before we jump into how to mix them, let's talk about why castor oil and baking soda are so special. Castor oil. It's a natural oil packed with fatty acids that moisturize your skin, make your hair super shiny, and can even help reduce wrinkles. Plus, it's great for fighting bacteria, so it's perfect for keeping your skin clean and healthy. Baking soda. This little powder does wonders for exfoliating your skin. It scrubs away dead skin cells, helps get rid of acne, and can make your skin feel super smooth. Plus, it can balance the pH of your skin and help unclog your pores. When you mix these two together, they create an amazing paste that's perfect for skincare and hair treatments. Ready to learn how to mix them? Please note, if you want to learn more about the benefits of castor oil and baking soda, you can watch another video in our channel, 10 Surprising Benefits of Castor Oil and Baking Soda. You need to know. You will get the link in the description and also in the playlist. The perfect ratio, how to mix castor oil and baking soda. Mixing castor oil and baking soda is easy, but the right ratio makes all the difference. Here's what you need. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Step-by-step instructions. Start with a clean bowl. Pour 1 tablespoon of castor oil into the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The key is to use less baking soda than castor oil. This creates the right consistency without being too harsh on your skin. Mix well. Stir the ingredients until they form a smooth paste. It should be thick, but still easy to spread. Pro tip: if you want a thinner mixture, you can add a few drops of water. But remember, too much water can weaken the effects of the mixture. How to use the mixture. Again, remember, it's always best to patch test and consult a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. Now that you've got your castor oil and baking soda mixture, let's talk about how to use it for both your skin and hair. For skin, gently rub the mixture onto your face or any area of your body where you want smoother skin. Use circular motions to help exfoliate and get rid of dead skin cells. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the castor oil time to moisturize and the baking soda time to clean and exfoliate. After letting it sit, wash it off with warm water. Pat your skin dry with a towel. For hair, gently massage the mixture onto your scalp. This helps remove buildup and stimulates hair growth. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. For best results, cover your hair with a shower cap while the mixture works its magic. Then wash the mixture out with shampoo and conditioner. When and how often to use it? So, how often should you use this magical mixture? Well, it depends on what you're using it for. For skincare, you can use the castor oil and baking soda mixture once or twice a week for smooth, glowing skin. Don't overdo it, though. Baking soda is powerful, and too much exfoliation can irritate your skin. For hair care, use the mixture once a week to cleanse your scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Overuse can dry out your scalp, so stick to once a week for the best results. The bonus tip. As promised, here's a special tip for you. Want to take your skincare routine to the next level? Add a few drops of tea tree oil to your castor oil and baking soda mixture. Tea tree oil has amazing antibacterial properties that can help clear up acne and keep your skin even healthier. Simply add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil to the mixture, mix it in, and follow the same steps for application. Your skin will thank you. There you have it. The perfect way to mix castor oil and baking soda for glowing skin and healthy hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.